So what we have here is a TARDIS cookie jar. When you open the lid to retrieve a cookie and then close it again, the blue light on the top goes, and it's also supposed to make a TARDIS dematerializing sound, but it has stopped making the sound. The speaker inside has gone bad, I believe, so I'm going to take this apart and show you how to replace the speaker. So the first thing we need to do is to remove these 4 screws inside the lid. Then the center just lifts out. Turn that over. And there's the tiny little speaker. I purchased on eBay a pack of 6 of what looks to be an identical speaker. They are 32 ohm, 1-inch speakers. So we'll fire up the soldering iron, disconnect the tiny little wires there. But first, we also got to get the speaker out, and it looks like it's been melted in here by just melting the plastic in this ring over the edge of the speaker here. So we got to figure out how to get that loose. If you look at the multimeter here, the new speaker is a 32 ohm speaker. It measures 28 ohms, which is close enough. There's variances in manufacturing. But if you measure the speaker in the TARDIS, I get about 4.3 k ohms. It's probably open circuit, and that 4.3 k ohms is the resistance of the circuit that's driving it here. So now that the soldering iron is hopefully warmed up, we will remove the existing speaker. I'm going to pre-tin the pads here on the new speaker just to make it easier to solder in. I'm going to give it a little shot of flux, because flux is very important for proper soldering joints. Alright, dim it. And the speaker's magnetic, so it wants to jump up and stick to the iron, so we'll kind of try and park it in the hole here again. So we just reattach the wires to the new speaker. And we press the button, see if it works. Success! We have dematerialization noise. I'll just do the same thing they did here, and to keep the speaker in place, I'll just maybe melt the plastic over the edge here a little bit. Not quite sure how they did that. that's not going anywhere. Put it back in, like they say in the old car repair manuals. Installation is the reverse of removal. So make sure your little TARDIS light thing is back in the top here. Make sure that your little hinge switch that activates it is pointing toward the hinge. And put the screws back in. So I have succeeded in restoring the TARDIS noise to the TARDIS cookie jar. The speaker replacement was a success, and now it works again.